This is how you make this 3 progress bar in CapCut. For the first progress bar, we're going to make a very simple progress bar. Just click text, drag default text to timeline, and then increase the duration how long you want it to be. So let's say for example, we're going to make it as long as the clip that we have here. Just drag it and then click default text, erase the text, and then just simply type in underscores. Now we want to increase how thick our progress bar is, so just simply increase the size of it and you're done. Now let's align it to the bottom and then change the color and then click the text on the timeline, right click, create compound click, click video, mask, add mask, and then split, and then rotate the split to -90, and then just drag it there. Now you have to click the mask keyframe and then click near the end and then click video again and then drag this at the end of the progress bar. And then just simply drag this end keyframe at the very end. Now you created a simple progress bar. Now let's make the second progress bar. Again, just simply drag the default text and then just increase the duration how long you want it to be. And then again, just delete the default text and then type in underscores. And then for you to adjust how thick you want it to be, just increase the size. And then place it wherever you want. There. And then change the color. So this color will be for the background of the progress bar. So let's make it at least like maybe a gray one. Okay. And then click the background of the progress bar. And then Ctrl C to copy it and then Ctrl V to paste it. Now just change the color of this to whatever color you like, and for us we're going to choose red now. And then right click at the progress bar on the timeline and then create compound clip and then simply do what we did at the first one. Video, mask, add mask, split, rotate to -90 and then drag it at the start of the timeline and then click add keyframe and then click near the end and then click video. Adjust the mask at the end of the timeline. Drag this keyframe at the end of the clip for this progress bar. Now you have it, our second progress bar in CapCut. Now for the last one is the third progress bar. I hope you're enjoying it, by the way. So again, let's just do what we did at the first and second step. So for the third progress bar, let's just do that same thing that we did on the first and second progress bar. Just click on text, drag default text, increase the duration how long you want it to be. And then click on the default text, erase this, and then just type in underscores. Increase on how thick you want it to be by just increasing the size of these underlines. And then adjust it accordingly. For us, we want it of course to be out of the way of the main frame. And then click on the color, let's replace it with the color red. And then scroll down until you find stroke. Now we can of course make this look good. So for us to make it look good, at least for me, we have to lessen the thickness. And then change it to color white. Okay, after doing that, just Ctrl C again and then Ctrl V. Now we're going to go back at this later. For now, let's just hide it. And then click on this, right click, create compound clip, click mask, add mask, rectangle, and then adjust the size of this accordingly to cover your red background. Now make sure to put it at the middle so it won't be that complicated while covering the red backgrounds. Then make sure to cover all of the red backgrounds. It's fine if you included some of the white strokes. And then make sure to cover until the end of it. Click reverse. Let's cover it more. Just keep on adjusting it until you're satisfied. Now we're going to unhide the progress bar. Just click this to show track. And then unclick stroke. And then right click on this again and then create compound clip, and of course just click on the add mask, then click split, rotate it to -90 degrees, just the same thing that we did before, and then add keyframe, add it until the end, and then adjust this keyframe. There we have it, the third progress bar in CapCut. Now if this video helped you, please make sure to subscribe and like this video. Now I wish you guys a happy good day. Thank you everyone.